What up, global fans? Welcome back to the G.A.A YouTube channel. Welcome back to Global Amusement Attractions. It says it on the t-shirt. Copy your merch. teesprings.com/stores/, yeah, that one. teesprings.com/stores/G.A.A merch to get your very own one of these. And we also do other variety of merch. Now, of course, you can tell by the title below, this video is of, ironically enough, that I was just plugging the merch. It's on merch! So, for the first time ever, I ordered some merch, some theme park merch, or amusement park in this case, merchandise. Cleanse the palate, because I'm going to be talking a lot in this one. As always, I bought some merchandise from Blackpool Pleasure Beach's online website, which you can also use, link down below. So this is it. Oh, it's quite weighty, cover out my my address, but here we go, there we go. BPB merch. That's cut on open, and I shall give you guys and gals a gander at what Pleasure Beach merchandise I ordered. Got to stand up for this one. Nice and safe. No running with these. Yeah, that practically did nothing. See? Nothing. Just screw it. Let's just go on Neanderthal and just... time to actually cut in this time. There we go. Let's have a look. See, here it is. It's open. Oh, we'll have a look at this together. Here we go. Alright, so we've got some wrapping. Boom. Oh, wow. That's quite a... Wow. Oh, wow, what's the mix in there? That's quite heavy. Alright. Got a bag. Got something else that's wrapped up. Oh, it's quite heavy, that is. I think I know what that one is. Got a magnet. Oh my god! Oh wow! I got some free rock! I can't be in Blackpool, I can't be at Pleasure Beach, so I got some free rock. What's this? It's got a tag on it as well, that's cute. With compliments, thank you for your order, we hope you enjoy. Please give your product a review on our retail website or a shout out on social media. Wow, it's like they knew I was going to film this. Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much, Pleasure Beach. Wow. Okay, let's sit back down. Move a little closer, there we go. Right, okay, ladies and gents, let's have a look, see what this is. Come on, you bugger. Oh, it smells like the Kiss Me Quick shop. Like, I know that sounds so weird, but it genuinely... I miss Pleasure Beach that much. I can smell the sense of, like, Pleasure Beach. God damn you. Yeah, here we go. I know what this is. It is a Blackpool Pleasure Beach Big Dipper candle. Oh, I really miss Pleasure Beach. So it says on there retail price is £7.95, but it wasn't. It was £3 on the website. Oh, it smells so good. A Big Dipper, incense, cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and musk. That's what the scent is. There, if you'd like to give that a little read. I'm getting quite emotional, it's making me miss Pleasure Beach. There we go, that's the Pleasure Beach Big Dipper candle. I wanted to get the one that was called Pleasure Beach Memories. That one was sold out, so I had to get this one because this was the only one that had like the ride sign on it with the Pleasure Beach thing there. Alice in Wonderland, Candy Floss, or River Caves, and they either had the logo on it but didn't have the Pleasure Beach thing. Or that, but I don't even know if I'm going to use that. I'm probably not. I'm just probably going to leave it like that. But yeah, that is my Big Dipper Blackpool Pleasure Beach candle. Oh mate, I'm getting quite emotional. I really miss Pleasure Beach a lot right now, and it smells so good too. Okay. Up next, you already had a little sneak peek, but here it is. Retail price was £3.95, and this is the Valhalla Blackpool Pleasure Beach magnet. Now, of course, if you weren't aware, Valhalla is closed for the quote-unquote reimagination for 2020 now. I imagine due to recent events this year, that will be put on hold, sadly. Here it is, the Blackpool Pleasure Beach Valhalla magnet. Just gonna... Alright. Oh, I hope I dropped the little magnety thingy that's on the back. It looked a lot smaller on the website, but it's quite weighty and it's a lot bigger than it is on the website. But there it is. It says, Ride the Adventure, right there. Ride the Adventure, Blackpool Pleasure Beach, Valhalla. I've got all my magnets down here on my radio and I don't know where to stick it. There you go, Valhalla, you now got your own place on the Bradass G.A.A radio of magnets. So yeah, again, like I mentioned, Valhalla is going under a reimagination for 2020, reopening in 2021. But like I mentioned, I imagine that will be put on hold, if you will, for the foreseeable, due to recent events worldwide right now, which is horrible. I don't really want to get into it because too many people have already talked about it, and I want a little bit of light and positivity for this video. Don't want to get all dark and gloomy. But if you do want to hear mine and Travis's thoughts on the current worldwide epidemic going around, then check in and go ahead and watch the Waiting in Line podcast. Again, everything will be linked down below. Myself and Travis did a sole episode on the whole pandemic that's going on right now, so if you want to go ahead and check that out and hear our thoughts, link down below. Okie dokie, so up next we have, I don't know what this, I don't remember. I mean, today is Saturday the 18th. I only ordered this on the 15th, so it's got here quite quickly. There we go. Cutting in again. Oh my gosh, I need new scissors. Ooh, okay, great, I broke it before I've even looked at them. Here we go. Oh, I know what these are. We'll get them out one by one. So these are shot glasses. There it is. This is, oh wow. So this, as you can see, is an Avalanche shot glass. How cool is that? $1.95 or $2.95, and I think they had the 3 for 2 thing like they do on the website, like they do for magnets and pins and all that stuff. The Avalanche thing there, and then we've got the Blackpool Pleasure Beach thing just there, and of course we've got the cool little inscribed like glass thing of the Avalanche A logo thing there on the inside. We got the second out of the 3. We have the big one. Way, the big one shot glass. That's really cool because it we've got the big one track going around, and then of course got the big one train just going around, and then we've got the track, and then at the back there it just dips down at the back, just ends just there. So yeah, and then we've got of course the big one Blackpool Pleasure Beach logo thing just there. I've steamed that up a lot because I'm really hot for some weird reason, and I don't mean looks wise. Anyway, that was crunchy, but yeah, that's quite nice. That is really nice clear see-through Blackpool Pleasure Beach big one shot glass. The final shot glass we have just hither. Aha! If I can't be riding the best UK coaster, I can sure have a bloody shot glass of it. The Icon Dare to Ride Blackpool Pleasure Beach shot glass. Originally, when I got this on the site, oh, there it is. So I got a bit confused there, but so like on the site, it only showed that bit, so I was like, oh yeah, cool. But I don't think it had the icon thing on it. I think it was just the dagger. So we got the Icon Dare to Ride Blackpool Pleasure Beach shot glass. No cool little inscribed like little thing with the Avalanche one or the track going around it like the Pleasure Beach one. It's just a black shot glass with the Icon Dare to Ride signage logo on the front, and then the Icon logo dagger just there. But yeah, that's really nice and really cool, that is. And of course we've just got the black inside. Hello! You see all the dust? Because they've not cleaned it out. Lovely. So yeah, there we go. Got 1, 2, 3. Icon, big one, Avalanche, Blackpool Pleasure Beach shot glasses. Very nice. And they won't be used. In fact, they will just be for ornamental value. But yeah, they're really nice there. So up next is something that I'm in dire need of, and something I've been in need of for a while. I've needed a new bag for quite some time, and this is a hell of a lot nicer than the one I originally bought. This is the new for this season, by the looks of it, Icon Drawstring bag. Retail price for this was $5.95, just there. I bought this when Icon first opened two years ago, so yeah, that's that one. I don't think this one has a zip thing on it, which is a shame. Yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. So we got this one, this like weird, like flimsy, like looking one, and then we got just the white, like Icon thing, where it's kind of worn because I've had it for a few years. The zippy thing here, which I would have liked on this bag as well, to be honest. Yeah, so this one's bigger, and it's a lot more bulkier and a lot less like flimsy, so that's good. And then we got this one that I've had for a few years, which is kind of worn, and you can see it's like teared a bit at the bottom with the holes for where the string's going. So yeah, that's the original Icon bag that I purchased with a little zip thing on the side, so that's that. And then we've got the new one that I purchased, which has the gold icon with the red Blackpool Pleasure Beach and Dare to Ride writing just inscribed on the front there. Icon Drawstring Gym Bag. So yeah, that'd be quite useful when I go back to the gym when all this is over. And yes, I do go to the gym. Yes, I know I'm a big bugger, but your boy works out. Just eats too much, that's the only problem. But yeah, that's my new Icon Drawstring Bag. Yeah, that's how it looks. Don't look good? Doesn't make my butt look big? Icon Drawstring Bag, so that's that. That's very nice. I really like the gold Icon logo, like it is on the actual ride itself. And the red writing just there fits in really well as well. So yeah, that's the new, for 2020 season, the new Icon Drawstring Bag. Get yours once Pleasure Beach opens, or you can get it on the site now if you like. But yeah, that's that. My new gym bag. I'm going to rock that and the lads are going to be jelly. And finally, last but certainly not least, my most anticipated thing of this whole... Oh my god. I have, right now, in my possession... I have, right now, in my possession, 60 years of Pleasure Beach history. This, my friends, global fans, is a genuine piece of wild mouse wood. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Like, paint's chipping off a bit and it's gone in my coffee. Quick, drink. A little bit bummed that I've not got the little tag thing that usually goes with it. Because otherwise it just looks a bit silly that I've just like, looks like I've gone out to the bloody woods near my house, chopped down a tree, cornered it off and chopped a little bit more, painted it, really badly chipped it, and brought it back to my house. I'm a little bit bummed that it's not got like the Pleasure Beach stamp thing that it usually has, or even the tag thing. But other than that, I really don't care, because I genuinely have 60, I believe it was 58 till 2018. Yeah, I believe it's up to 60 years of the Wild Mouse was in operation. And I have a piece of its history in my hands right now. I wasn't a big lover of the ride. I wouldn't rush to it if I was on park. But I do miss it, I'm not going to lie. If and when a park gets closed or a ride gets demolished, it's always a sad emotional time, especially when you've got such a connection to a ride or a park, such as I do, especially with Pleasure Beach. I've been going since I was like, what, 2, 3? So, good 20 years of my life. I'm 23 now, so... yeah. Wow. Yeah. I didn't think I'd get this emotional over a piece of wood, but I am. Oh, wowzers. Just, but yeah, anyway, so retail price for this bad boy on the website. For this, 20 quid. 60 years of classic wood at the best and biggest amusement park in the world, Blackpool Pleasure Beach. 20 quid for this. And I know it's just a piece of wood to some people, but to me this is history and this is my childhood. And I know it's a bit silly because I'm getting emotional over a piece of wood and a roller coaster and an amusement park. But, you know, it's not a surprise to everyone this year has been a bit crappy. And I, much like everyone else, am missing theme parks and amusement parks. Pleasure Beach more than any. And of course I miss Wild Mouse. History was my favourite subject in school, and, you know, I'm just happy that I personally have a little bit of history right now in my hands. Yeah, it's just crazy and really cool. And yeah, I'm sorry about that long ranty tangent, but yeah, just I'm shocked that I managed to get my hands on this. I'm incredibly happy with that, and buzzed with every other purchase that I've got. I'm very, very happy. Okie dokie, ladies and gents, so let's have a look at the overview of purchases that I got. So of course, to kick things off, I got some complimentary Blackpool Pleasure Beach rock, which is really nice. And to kick off the actual purchases, I got this Valhalla magnet. I got the Big Dipper candle. I got the 3 for the price of 2 Avalanche Icon and Big One shot glass. The Icon Drawstring bag. And to finish it off, the best purchase, and probably the best purchase I've ever made theme park merch wise, sentimental wise anyway, definitely is indeed we got some genuine Wild Mouse ride wood. So yeah, that's all my purchases. Oh, I got pins and needles in my foot. Ow. Ooh. Okay, so please don't ask why I'm on the floor. Okay, I don't know myself. There we go, there we have it. That's all my purchases from the Blackpool Pleasure Beach website. Hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. Cop your G.A.A merch link down below. Listen to the podcast also with myself and Travis. The Waiting in Line podcast again linked down below. Stay happy, stay safe, stay indoors, stay in quarantine, take care of yourselves and everyone around you. And with that being said, like, comment and subscribe to become a global fan, and I will see you wonderful guys and gals in the next one here on the G.A.A Global Amusement Attractions YouTube channel. I've been Brad, your host for this video, and that leaves me to say bye bye for now.